Hello. What we call unconditional love is actually a foundational energy of existence itself, which unconditionally supports all aspects of existence. Therefore, everything exists in this alive form, eternal life of infinite variety is going on here. And it gives us the gift of free choice. And also, to recognize this foundational vibration of unconditional love can also be your gift to yourself from your free choice. So I invite us together now, rekindle that awareness of unconditional love through which we live. And when we acknowledge, when we are conscious about this foundational energy of love, then it automatically creates harmonizing, evening, and intelligently, wisely guiding effect in our experience. So let us root our awareness into this recognition of unconditional love throughout all aspects of our life, throughout all situations that was and that might be and is, and through all the reflections of ourselves and seemingly others, because all of those things is part of that fabric of love, and it supports all self-knowledge and appreciation. So again, when we are aware about that, everything harmonizes. Everything is experienced in unified harmony. And then this love becomes leading edge in our direct experience. In other words, we wake up as that boundless harmony of love in action. And that love and action always assist us in our relative evolution within this human life. So it uses, again, all reflections or all circumstances for stepping up into new and new levels of our evolution. So you can see through those loving eyes that yes, everything adds to your next biggest joyful realization in your experience. And yeah, this journey is infinite. So enjoy it in this living moment. That's why that can be seen as the one of the main purpose of this structure of existence that supports this experience infinitely, eternally, is for that existence to enjoy itself, to celebrate itself. To celebrate all of those stepping stones in your relative evolution. They might be pleasurable, they might be painful, they might be sweet, they might be bitter. Nevertheless, everything changes. So unconditional love also always supports us not only in our static views and experiences, but also in changing those views and experiences. Again, changing in the most auspicious way if we guide those currents of life in the unconditionally loving way. So, thank you for your existence. Therefore, thank you for your unconditional love that supports my experience, and then I can give you back support and love and existence from my side. And let's celebrate this in this life, in this unique, wonderful, best experience of life.